Hello everyone. So we are done with the for loop as well as the while loop, and the third one it is do while loop. So we'll go fast for this do while loop because now obviously we know the concept of looping. So here initially I equal to 7, that is the initial value which we have declared. Then we are using do while loop, so we have to write only do and opening bracket because we will write the condition afterwards somewhere over here. So do an opening bracket and echo dollar I, it means 7 is, it will print 7 is, and break a line, and I plus plus indicates it will increment by 1. Okay, so new value of I will be 8. Then we have a closing bracket of this do while loop, and also we have while condition. So while we know the current value of I is not 7, it is 8. So while 8 less than 9, so obviously condition is what? True. 8 is less than 9. So it will again go inside of this do while loop. So it will print echo 8 is. Then break a line. Then again I plus plus new value of I is 9. Again it will come to this while statement while 9 less than 9. So we know that now condition is false. So it will come out of this full do while loop somewhere over here. But nothing is there. It means end of our program. And one more thing, in while loop while writing condition, only while loop. We never write semicolon. But when it comes to do while loop, after while and condition, we have to write semicolon. So now we will check the output of this. Control S, and obviously we are using the same file. See, 7 is and then 8 is. So that is all about do while loop. Thank you everyone.